Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share a healthy, yummy and filling salad recipe. You can have it as a side to your main meal, or sometimes you can even have it as one of your main meal because it's so filling. So for this salad I'm going to take raw vegetables which I have already chopped. Here I have chopped lettuce, cucumber, capsicum, grated carrot and boiled corns. For the seasoning I have rock salt, grounded flax seeds, grounded black pepper, black sesame seeds and few cubes of tofu which I have already sauteed. So these are the basic ingredients, and now I am going to assemble the salad. Here I have a big bowl in which I am going to add all the vegetables. The bowl should be big enough so that later you can mix the salad easily. So I am going to add lettuce first, and on top of that I am going to add cucumber, corns, carrot and then the capsicum. So guys, this salad is very healthy because all the vegetables which I have used here are raw. It will not only give fiber to your body but also keep your body in an alkaline state, and researchers have shown that no disease, not even the cancer, can grow in an alkaline environment. In fact, let me tell you that our bodies works at its best in the alkaline state, and having raw vegetables is a very good way to alkalize your body. So try to include raw vegetables in your diet more often. And soon I'm going to do a video about how we can keep our bodies at its optimum pH to work at its best and to avoid all the diseases. So stay tuned for that. Now that I have added all the vegetables, it's time to add the tofu and the seasonings. So I'm going to add the tofu here. Now I'm gonna add black pepper powder, black sesame seeds, grounded flax seeds and rock salt. I have always told you that rock salt is much better option than the white plain table salt which we usually use in our homes. So guys, please change to the rock salt or senda namak which we call it in Hindi. Now let's squeeze the lemon. Actually, I ended up adding one more lemon to the salad because the quantity of salad is so much. So guys, it totally depends on your choice, your taste. You can increase or decrease the quantity of lemon as well as the salt. Now it's time to give it a very good mix so that the seasonings release their flavors. One thing which I forgot to add initially was tomatoes. Therefore I have added chopped tomatoes here, and it has taken this salad to the next level. So give this salad a try and share your feedback in the comment section below. Share this recipe with your friends and family. Like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, be happy and stay healthy.